child since 1950. Nobody knew her but I also, but I remember she died in 2005 on 12 December. My grandma has two kids and four grandkids. She loves for us very much and always try to help.